So virtually every piece of equipment we use nowadays, smartphones, tablets, you name it, will contain a compound semiconductor. In the past we've talked about things like silicon chips. Well, we've moved on a lot from that, and we've invested nearly £38 million into a compound semiconductor foundry to be located in Newport, and we're doing that with a company called IQE, an indigenous company based in St Mellons, but probably one of the global leads in compound semiconductor manufacturing. And through that advancement, through that investment, we're going to see the compound semiconductor cluster grow right across the region, because there are many companies in all parts of the Cardiff capital region which use compound semiconductors in their products, be it photonics, aviation, a whole range of advanced technologies. And IQE, based in Newport with this foundry, will be the global leaders in the advancement of this technology. And we need to embrace that opportunity, because that money, that £38 million that we've invested into the compound semiconductor industry, will unlock via IQE another £375 million worth of inward investment, creating up to 4,000 high quality, high paid jobs. And that's what we need in South East Wales, in the Cardiff capital region, to turn the economic fortunes around here, so we can create those high quality jobs for our young people. We need to train and skill our people to take advantage of those opportunities as they arise. But the cluster of compound semiconductor connected industries will be growing. But in 10-15 years, when the City deal matures, we know that there are going to be massive opportunities here, many new jobs, high quality jobs, industries which we still haven't thought about yet. But the potential is massive, the opportunities are real, and our young people have got some real hope for the future. And that will turn around the economic opportunities of South East Wales, and through the City region, containing half of the Welsh population. If we can make a difference there, we can change the whole of Wales for the better.